You want a supermodel pose? That me real friend Winnie.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? I am supposed to be going out of town tomorrow. Well, I am going out of town tomorrow. I've already postponed it. Don't even have time to get into details. Don't even have time to get into details. It's a whole different video. But long story short, I'm going out of town tomorrow and I need to do my hair, and I have all of an hour to get it done, if that, because I want to get at least a little bit of sleep before my flight tomorrow. So here we are. I really wanted to do a flip over sew-in, but I don't have enough time, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a little half wig situation. Today's video is sponsored by Myfirstwig. They sent me their curly shake and go half wig in 20 inches, so we can kind of get that sew-in flip over look in a fraction of the time, hopefully. It's a one size fits all half wig. It kind of gives like that flip over vibe. If you can tell, like the hairline is really seamless, so it's gonna be easy to blend with our natural hair. Perfect. She's curly, like a kinky curly texture. It's super adjustable, and you can kind of finesse it to get a ponytail too if you really try. I'm not trying to experiment today, but while I'm on vacation, I might kind of play with it a little bit and see if I can do a cute little ponytail situation. This is the inside of the cap. It comes with a comb up top, a comb in the back, combs on the side, a drawstring, and it also has adjustable straps. It seems like it's gonna be super secure, but let's just go ahead and get into the install and see what it's giving. Let's see what it's, we won't know for real until we actually try it.
Cleopatra, then your 6-inch heels catch her. She's headed to the pyramid. She's working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid. Working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid. Working at the pyramid. Working at the pyramid. Working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid. Working at the pyramid and living in my convo. Bubbles in my champagne, let it be some jazz playing. Top floor motel suite, twisting my cigars. Floor model TV with the VCR.
Okay, so my hair is nice and blow dried. I low-key feel like my hair is growing back. I just cut quite a bit of hair off a couple of months ago, but she giving or whatever. It's kind of full and super fluffy, but anyway, I don't want a lot of leave out, but I definitely want enough so I can have like a sufficient amount of leave out and some big juicy baby hairs. So I'm leaving out about 1 inch hair across the front of my hairline. Can y'all tell I'm like panicking? Do y'all prefer tutorials while I'm like giving y'all super detailed instructions? Are you a beginner or are you more intermediate? And do you like lots of like detailed tutorials? Or are you just coming for a little vibe?
After work, I'm bathing your body, touch you in places only I know. You're wetting your warm just like a bath water. Can we make love before you come? When you say my name makes me feel like I'm that nigga, but I'm still.
Okay, so we have our leave out twisted out of the way, and now this is all of the hair we're gonna put under our wig in the back. I don't want to do too many braids, but I also don't want my wig to be like big and lumpy. So I feel like a good little in-between number is like 4. I think 4 braids will give us a nice even base, but I feel like it's only gonna take me like 10-15 minutes, and I can do that. That's doable. So I'm starting off by parting my hair straight down the center, and then I'm gonna break each of these sections into 2 sections to create 4 parts for 4 braids.
Working at the pyramid, working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid, working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid, working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid.
Okay, so I have my 4 braids in. Let me do a little spin so y'all can see. All right, so when I'm not gonna have a part, I really like these little weaving nets because I feel like my scalp can breathe, but it also kind of holds all my hair together without me having to sew stuff down. So it kind of saves me a little bit of time. And sewing on your hair is like a little extra manipulation that we don't really gotta do. So instead, I'm gonna just pop on this little cap and then I crisscross my braids in the back so everything is nice and flat. Now we can go ahead and pop the wig on. I'm starting off by tightening up these little adjustable straps. I have those on there.
I've been watching like the hawk in the sky. That's why you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days.
I love that this wig is all combs. I feel like combs are so much more comfortable than clips. For some wigs, like V parts, you kind of need a clip, but this is super comfortable and she is not moving. I'm gonna just clip the hair up real quick so I can go ahead and tighten up this drawstring in the back. Okay, so we have the wig on and she's cute. I honestly could probably finesse it and kind of wear it just like this with a little twist in the front. I'm not mad at it. But I want to kind of shape it up and give it a little bit of a cut, just so everything looks nice and even and healthy.
Won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the block while everyone sleeps? I'll be waiting there with my trench, my looks, my hat, just so I'm low key. If you tell the world, oh boy, see I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul.
I kind of like it big, but I'm about to go ahead and wet it down. You can sit here with a spray bottle and spray all day, and I would do it for aesthetics, but the truth is, sweetheart, I'm about to go ahead and take this off real quick, wet it in my sink, and it'll take like 2 seconds. Doing it with the spray bottle is cool, but sometimes I feel like you can't really get in the wig. You have to kind of go in sections, and that's gonna take me like 20 minutes when I can literally just pop it off, wet it in the sink, and call it a day. So, as I said before, I'm about to go ahead and take her off, wet her down and style her, and then we'll pop her back on and blend in our natural hair. Okay, so I went ahead and wet the hair down, and I do want to add some layers to it because I feel like it's giving a little flat. So I'm pretty much sectioning out all of the hair in the crown of the wig, and I'm going to just bring it up to give it like a little layered cut. So I'm over directing it going straight up. Then with my scissors, I'm kind of opening and closing them and cutting it at an angle to add some layers. Yes, that did something. I'm gonna go ahead and take down my leave out, and we're gonna blend this together and wet this too. Because the hair is actually like a kinky curly texture, it's gonna blend perfectly with my hair.
Say no when you say please. I can't say no. How we shop, you need up, baby with me up.
To define the curls, I'm gonna go in with the Do Most Def.
I can't say no when you say please. I can't say no. You wanna drink like Bayesian and dance like Trini? Yeah. You wanna supermodel pose like my real friend Winnie? Yeah. Vacation is done, but I'm not finished. No. Yeah. Champagne with breakfast while I'm yawning. Can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning. Lord forgive me, I can't take things slowly. I'm going on them once I get going. Yeah. She's trying to take it all off of me, trying to stay real close to me. I gotta catch myself, I can't play myself. I need to take it easy, 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 easy.
Okay, so now that I have everything pretty much laid how I want it to be, I'm about to go ahead and lay down my baby hairs just a little bit. I don't want any like hard baby hairs. I'm going for more like soft swoopy edges. Not quite baby hairs, but more so like, you know, I don't know. We want like a wet look. I'm going for a natural wet look type of vibe. So I'm only doing my little 2 swoops and I'm gonna pop on my scarf. All right, so then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer. You don't wanna like push the scarf back too far because you don't want it flat on top. So I'm literally just putting the scarf on my edges and like right where the wig and my hair meet to kind of make it super flat, but the back I want big. So I'm going to use my diffuser and dry everything, and I will be back when it's about 90-95% dry. I let it air dry to last a little bit, but it doesn't change the way that it looks. So I'm gonna come back and let y'all know the final look. I'm so excited. I actually finished my hair on time, so this wig definitely came in handy. Hopefully it comes out super cute, and if that's the case, it was cute and quick, so y'all gotta run and go get it. Run, do not walk. All right, I took my scarf off and this is the finished look. It is blended with my hair perfectly. Like, do y'all see that? Like, I don't know where my hair starts and the wig begins. Like, really get into it. I love how my hair came out. I think the layers added a really cute little touch. It made it more like round and it fits my face really, really cute. I think I could have went a little harder with the baby hairs, but because I'm going to the airport in a couple of hours, I'm not tripping about it. I am literally obsessed with the way that it's blending with my natural hair. Like, the texture of this hair is really pretty. It's super easy to detangle, but it does have a really, really nice texture. It's like really tight Afro kinky curls, but it's very light and fluffy. It doesn't feel heavy like it's a lot of hair on the wig, but it also like is really, really full and bouncy. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Thank you again to Myfirstwig for working with me, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.